Okay, anyone? Ano kayo? Sige, I think we already reach okay, our quorum. We have a quorum na ano, since we're 19 or 18 here in our meeting. So I think that's half of the class. But then again po, please message some of your classmates who still not yet here to kindly attend the online class or the online meeting for today. For this meeting po, so we will be tackling the content of the CIS, of the course information syllabus, the policies, and we will be also tackling about the schedule, which is I think nagkaroon tayo ng conflict kanina. Ano? And at the same time, we will be having this discussion, ano, kung bakit ba tayo magkakaroon ng discussion kahit wala pong plotted sa inyong portal. Is it because by tomorrow we will be having our first lesson or first topic na ano with IT 414 system quality assurance. Okay? So but before we move on to that, so kindly say present po if you are here on the meeting. So I will be having our attendance. So I will be calling one by one. So kapag nandito po, edi kindly say present. Ano? Okay, so again, this is just to check whether you are able to enroll the subject IT 414 System Quality Assurance. Baka kasi na-add lang pero hindi pala napindot yung enroll. Ano? So just to make sure po that your name is enrolled on my list under the section ITSM 4106. Okay? So let's first have Akukan Vincent. Again, kindly say present po if nandito kayo. Vincent Akupan. Okay, wala yata. Okay, next. Cyrus James Alo.
Present po.
Okay. Paul Justin Arguelles.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Micaela Asinas.
Present po.
Okay. Next, Bagting Kenneth Joaquin.
Present po.
Okay. Joshua Braza. Joshua. Okay, wala. Buenafe Julian. Buenafe. Okay, wala din. Kabatay Ethel Bell.
Present po.
Okay. Atilo Mark Jason. Atilo. Okay, wala din. Concepcion Joseph.
Present po.
Okay. Cristobal Pearl Leonard.
Sir, present.
Okay. Nasaan ka? Ba't kami echo? Okay. Next.
Ng CR po.
Cruzat Clark Ivan.
Present ho.
Okay. Vince Raniel Dimaandal. Dimaandal. Vince. Okay, wala din. Dries Ryan Manuel.
Present po.
Okay. Elijah Miguel Esguera. Esguera Elijah. Okay, wala din. Pabonan John Benny. Pabonan. Okay, wala din. Chloe Festijo. Okay, wala din. Chester Furto.
Present po, present. Present po.
Gonzales Robbie Gadwin. Gonzales. Okay, wala din. Mark J.V. Hernandez. Mark J.V. Okay, wala din. Sabina Aliana. Sabina. Okay, wala din. Ilagan J. Renz.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Sino yun? Okay. Thank you, J. Renz. Next, Lincalio Eduardo.
Present po.
Okay. Next, Macalom Mark. Mark Macalom. Okay, wala din. Next, let's have Marasigan Justin. Marasigan Justin. Okay, wala din. Okay, next, let's have Martinez Adrian.
Present po.
Okay. Mendoza Hana.
Present po.
Okay. James Naluz. Naluz. Okay, wala din. Pindulas, Marjane.
Present po.
Okay. Sandoval, Mark Dominic.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Singson, Jo Marie. Wala. And Valencia, John Kirby. Valencia. I think wala din. And last, Ihares, Jen Stephen. Okay. Sinong hindi ko natawag? Anyone? May mga nalikdangan ba ako?
Sir Buenafe po. Present.
Buenafe, okay. Sino pa? Meron pa ba? So I will be calling these names again do sa mga nalikdahan. So baka mag-join sila later on, okay? So, okay. Ayan. So much for that. So let's now move on with the discussion of the course information syllabus. Okay, but before we start, let me ask, kumusta kayo? Kamusta ang O6? Kamusta ang O6? Ano nangyari sa inyo after that SEM na na-handle ko kayo ng, I think, BPO1? Anyone? Ano na yung bago with the O6? Okay lang po. Aside from Joseph, ano pa yung update sa iba? Ayan. Tumaba? O bakit naman tumaba? Okay lang po, nasa school, okay? Okay, goods lang, nagbabagong buhay na, okay? Ganun pa rin. Akala ko maingay pa din. Ano? Ayan. So, okay. So much for that. So, ayun. So, hindi ko alam kung it is a good thing ba that your section was given to me. Ano? But this time, instead of teaching you the service management major or the subjects sa service management, so I will be your instructor for one of the IT subjects for fourth year, which is IT 414 SQA or System Quality Assurance. Okay? So, it will be different from the topics that we have discussed. So, that ang sabi ko, it will be focused on the IT core subjects, hindi siya major. So, I think the approach for this will be different from the previous classes that we have. Okay? Tulad ng sabi ko, we will be discussing the content of this subject. What are the things, okay, that we will be tackling about? Ano yung content? Saan iikot yung discussion? And at the same time, what are the assessment tasks or the criteria for grading? Okay? So, again, the course code for the SQA is IT414. Its title is System Quality Assurance. Okay? So, sabi dito, it's rationale. This course deal with the relationship of software and system testing to quality. Testing to quality is observed with an importance on testing techniques and methods. Okay, so these topics compromise module and unit testing integration and acceptance testing, testing methods, defining test plans and strategies that map, okay, to system requirements. So basically, this topic or this subject will revolve on how we will be able to assure that all of the systems before its actual deployment, okay, will undergo series of testing. Okay, para lang ma-assure natin that it will be free from errors. There will be no issues. There will be no problems that can be possibly encountered not only by the developers but also the end users. Yung end users, basically the users of the systems. Okay? So all throughout the semester, we will be tackling different types of testing. We have the white testing, the white box testing. Okay? We have the unit testing, okay, the functional integration testing. So, lahat yon nako-cover natin for this subject. Okay? Again, this prerequisite nyo is IT 325. This is a 5 unit subject to be taken every first semester. We are now on the 2025-2026 academic year. Okay? So, what what are the topics that will be included again on our subject. Okay, for the week 1, which is basically this week, covered po niyan yung orientation and introduction. Okay, this is the presentation of syllabus and class rules. But if you will be looking at our table or timeline, included po sa ating week 1 yung testing fundamentals or basically the chapter 1 of our topic. Okay, so yun yung reason on bakit tomorrow, which is from 1 to 4 p.m., also online, so we will be having our chapter 1. Okay? 3 to 6, week 3 to 6, we will be tackling types of testing. Week 7 to 8, test case development. On week 9, we will be having our midterm exam. Okay, that's written examination. On week 10 to 12, we have testing techniques. 13 and 14, test management and control. 15 to 16, we have defects. And 17 to 18, final project consultation and presentation. Okay, so upon viewing or seeing our course outline, so it is mandatory that we will be having our final project presentation for this subject. Okay, at the same time, meron din tayong written examination. Okay? So, if you have any questions and concerns regarding on these matters, on the topics, so don't hesitate again to ask your question. Ano? So, wag kong mahihiyang magtanong kung may mga gagawin. What i-clarify. Okay? Saglit lang. Okay. Okay, going back, going back, okay, again, we have a final project presentation, okay. I think this will revolve around naman with your capstone, okay. So, moving on, for the course policy, I think, sanay na kayo dito, but again, let me remind you again with the course policy that we have, baka kasi medyo nalilimutan na, So, again, yung ating grading system is yung uno, dos, tres, okay? And be mindful of the INC and the drop, okay? So, ayoko naman, na may magda-drop since this will be your final regular SEM. And ayoko din na mag-upload ako ng INC. So as much as possible, if you are encountering problems with the subject, may nahihirapang sumabay, okay? So please, message me, okay? Ano, para nagagawan agad natin siya ng paraan, okay? Ayan, so again, yung incomplete po natin is will be uploaded if there will be an incomplete assessment task. So halimbawa, you are not able to have a midterm exam, okay? You are not able to have your final project presentation, so we have no choice to upload INC to your portal. So i-avoid po yan. So if there will be problems, na nangyayari or na-encounter ng group or ng isang individual sa 4106, so kindly approach me ASAP. Wag na pong patagalin. So, try natin yung best natin para matulungan. Sayang naman kasi this will be your last regular seminar. Okay? Um, Ayan, so the percentages of your grade will be coming from your final project. So that's the 40% of your grade. So be mindful. So kailangan you will be able to pass and present your final project. Kasi hindi pumapasa or not able to accomplish this final project means wala na kayong 40% ng grade. So the remaining is just 60%. So yung 60 na yon, bagsak na yon. 20% will be coming from your lab activities, 10% will be coming from the quizzes, and 30% will be coming from your mid-exam. So yung mid-exam po natin, just like the previous semesters, so two parts po yan. First part is the written exam and the part two is the lab exam. Okay? So, yung written is on week 9 and yung lab exam is a week after that. Okay? So, ayan. Final project, sabi dyan, the final project shall be accomplished in groups aligned with the official capstone project teams. Each group is tasked to develop a comprehensive system quality assurance document for the capstone project encompassing all topics covered in the course. So tulad ng sabi ko, all throughout the semester, we will be tackling different types of testing. So yun yung mga gagawin yung testing on your capstone. Since you are on your capstone 2, basically that's the development phase or developmental phase of your project, of your system. So, para naman hindi na kayo gagawa ng another system, okay, yung system yun na mismo yung itetest. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, your groups, okay, the students that will be your, kumbaga parang kasama, companion on this subject is your groups or groupings in capstone. For those students, okay, na wala pong capstone, okay, siguro I will be requiring them to look for a site or develop a site or siguro maghanap ng site na kanilang itetest. Ano? And next, we have the lab activities. There will be 4 laboratory activities. So again po, make sure po, let's make sure po that we will be able to take those 4 lab activities. Again, that's 30%. I think, balikan nga natin, that's 20% of your grade. Quizzes, there will be 2 written quizzes, written and lab exam, which is, yun nga, yung sabi natin during week 9 and a week after. Okay po, so, yan lang naman yung magiging assessment task that we need to accomplish para mabigyan kayo ng grade sa SQA. Okay? Next po natin, we have the class rules. Again, I think paulit-ulit na tayo dito, but ulitin lang ulit natin. Proper etiquette must be observed. So, for our platform, for our group chat, okay, so we will be using Google Workspace katulad ng ginagawa natin dati. And as I observed, parang kukunti pa po yung nagjo-join sa ating workspace. Parang to 12. So, kindly click the link that I posted po nung isang gabi pa sa classroom. Doon po tayo again mag-update ng mga announcements regarding the subject matters and if there will be other announcement regarding the semester. Okay? Acknowledge all announcement again through the use of Google Workspace and Classroom. Lab rules, okay? Again po, tayo po ay 4th year na. We should be the tawag dito, role model for the lower years. Ayoko naman na 4th year pa yung pasimuno ng pagsaway ng mga lab rules. Okay, lab rules po natin, let me agad remind everyone that food is not allowed on the lab. Okay, bawal magdala ng food, bawal na pong maglaro. Okay, bawal na mag-open ng mga gaming sites, okay, sa ating laboratory. So, kilala ko dyan yung mga nag-open dyan ng mga websites tapos maglalaro. Even browsing Google Maps, hahanapin ng bahay ng kaklase. Please avoid that. Baka may bukas na naman dyan ng map, hahanapin ng bahay ni ganyan, hahanapin ng bahay ni ganito. Iwasan na po because again, tulad ng sabi ko, if we are caught doing that, okay, depende sa bigat ng ginagawa natin, pwede tayo ma-subject for disciplinary office. Okay? So, if wala na naman gagawin sa computer, much better if we will turn it off. Okay? Para at least patayin na siya ng ayos. So, at the same time, please log out all of your accounts na bubuksan po sa PC. Huwag pong magbubukas ng mga SOCMEDs. Although it's not filtered, I think, nabubuksan siya. Pero please, kapag gagamit po, mag-open ng account, even your personal email, G Suite accounts, ay ilalag out po. Okay? Next, academic dishonesty. Okay? Anyone who will be caught cheating po or plagiarizing rather, okay, will automatically receive a score of 0. So dito naman during exam, if your proctor caught you cheating, okay, edi 0 kayo automatically. Again, yung midterm po natin is 15% of your grade. Okay, kapag nahuli kayo, so automatic 0, ibibigay ko dyan a 0 score. Okay? And depende pa yan sa bigat. Let's say, for example, you are browsing your phone. Okay? So, gaano siya kabigat? Pwede siyang, for example, masuspend kayo. Okay? Several days. Okay? If nakikipag-uusap sa katabi. Okay? And nakita kayo, again, our CCTV is 100% working. So, akala nyo lang siya display, hindi po siya display. So, nakikita po kayo dyan. For dropping, I think wala na namang magdadrop. May gusto po bang magdrop sa O6? May gusto po bang magdrop dito? I think wala na naman. Kumbaga parang this will be the last time na ibibigay nyo na yung pinaka-effort. Kasi after this, basically, you will be having your OJT. And next, missed activities, quizzes, examinations, and I think sanay na naman tayo with these missed activities. Kasi last time, kung ano yung naging policy natin sa ating BPO1, kaya third year, yan din po ang gagawin natin ngayon. If there will be missed activities, may mga nakalimutan po kayong activities na ipasa. So yung gagawin po natin dyan is, I will be closing, okay, the submission. Isasarado ko po yung submission. Okay? Then, you need to wait, okay, at the end of the semester before I reopen it. Okay? Kumbaga parang hihintay nyo siyang magbukas ulit para ipasa. Okay? And take note that there will be a corresponding deduction if you will be passing it. Kaysa nga naman sa 0, so I think mas okay na yun na may ma-record pa rin akong score. And I think that's all. And questions? May questions po ba? Anyone? Questions? I think I can upload this PowerPoint on our classroom so that you can check it from time to time. So that if you want to be reminded by the policies, course policies, lab rules, so you can revisit this PowerPoint. And at the same time, the topics that we will be discussing. Let's say, for example, next week, we will be discussing testing fundamentals. So you can do advanced research. So that at least kahit pa paano during discussion, ay may idea na kayo doon sa magiging topic natin. Okay? Ano pa ba? I think this subject won't be that too difficult for you. Kasi last time with your mid-term classes, I think you also done or do testing. Okay? Yung UAT, User Acceptance Testing, I think. Tama ba? Yung UAT? So basically you test, doon naman ang tinest nyo is yung user interface. So dito, that's one of the example of testing. So ano pa yung other type of testing that we will be discussing, so that yung ating system before it will be deployed on your clients ay makaka-sure tayo na gumagana. Okay? Ayan. Questions po? May questions po ba tayo? Ayan. So you can expect or we can expect dito, what we can expect from this subject is that siguro there will be time that I will be showing you a system, then this section will do testing. Kumbaga parang, paano ba natin sasabihin to? On the spot. Ano? So, pwedeng, halimbawa, during discussions, specifically during face-to-face classes, I will be showing you a system, a website. Okay, then I will be asking some student, random student, to do testing on that site, on that web page, and ano ba yung pwedeng possible solutions. Okay, ano yung mga errors that pwede nating ma-encounter when we are using those systems. Okay? Yun yung mga possible things na gagawin natin during our discussion on the subject. Anyone? May questions po ba? Anyone? May questions? So tomorrow po ay we will be discussing lessons, first topic or the first chapter on our subject. Again, that's based on the course outline that we have. So sa ayaw nyo man at gusto, so may klase po tayo bukas. So anong tawag dito? Ayan, so the reason po kung bakit hindi nag-reflect yung time po natin today for the 2 hours lecture po natin is that wala pa po kasi tayong assigned room for our face-to-face classes. So hindi siya pinalat kasi wala pa pong available room. But I think po it is final that every Tuesday po ng 11 to 1, we will be having our 2 hours lecture. Since online tayo, so nagkakandak tayo ng class. So let's wait siguro next few weeks or few days. If malalagyan na tayo ng classroom for next week. So next week tayo po ay face-to-face. Yun po So 5 hours. So 5 hours po yung required na number of hours na tayo po ay nag-meet every week. Okay? Questions po, anyone? Ayan. Questions po. Before we conclude, okay. So before we end pala, ayan. So I will be sending you a link. Okay, just to see. Okay. Ayan, wait lang. So kindly put, okay, type the words that you think are associated with SQA. So please scan this link. Okay. Ayan, wait lang. So lang to, kumbaga parang ng mini activity, So para lang ma-test natin if do we have or did we have prior knowledge na ba with SQA? So any words that you think will be related, associated, okay, with SQA or System Quality Assurance. So kindly scan, okay, the QR code, and after that, just type, okay, one word na lang. One word that you think will be related to System Quality Assurance. Okay? Scan po, tapos lagay lang natin dyan. Okay, tapos let's wait for the result. Lalabas po dyan yung result after nyo mag-type. May nagtatry ba? Okay. Sir, good. Sige, present si Makalom. Okay, si Mark. Wait lang. Makalom. Okay, iisa pa yung nagsasagot. Okay, reliability. Okay. Quality control. Okay. Testing. So tayo po sa meet ay 21. Excluding me. So siguro let's wait. Ayan. 2 participants typing quality control. Again, I think yung mas malaking word yung pinaka ang tawag dito related with SQA. Okay? So, okay, root cause analysis, documentation, quality management. Okay? Kakunti pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pa. So, 7. Sa 7 pa yung nagsasagot. Ano? So, let's wait for the others. Maka 21 man lang. Ano? Since 21. So, everyone must have their inputs. Okay? So, again, there will be no wrong answers. Whatever word you want to put, as long as you think it's related to system quality assurance rather, you may put it on this site. Okay? How about the others? Automation. Okay. Meron pa. Ayan. Root cause analysis, improvement, reliability, quality control. Okay, na 9. Si Siam pa. Siam lang ba ang active sa O6? Okay. ISO. Okay. So, ISO, I think it's for the accreditation. Okay. Let's wait. Meron pa ba? So, if you want to add another, so, okay, you may add another word if you want to still add. Process improvement. Removing bugs. Okay. Okay, meron pa ba 11? Only 11 students. Ayan, 12. Verification and validation. Okay. So, if you will notice at the center, okay, mas malaki yung word na quality control. Okay. Okay. Quality management, consistency, manual. Okay. Experience, basically, maybe that pertains to user experience, UX. Okay. Quality planning. Okay. So, let's wait lang. Ano, before we conclude this meeting. Okay. Meron pa ba? Hindi naglalagay. Yan, may isa pang participant. Quality control. O yan. Checking. Communication skills. Okay. Testing. Okay. We have two bigger word na. Another is testing. Quality assurance, QA. 15. So, I think konti na lang. Hinihintay natin. 22, 6, 6. Okay, kasi 22 excluding me. So, 21. Ano pa yung word? Pwede namang mag-double. Ano, if you think that's also the same with the word that was inputted by the other, okay, by your other classmates. Okay. Collaboration, okay, agile testing. Meron pa ba? A16, ayan, 16. So let's wait na lang until mag-20, ayan, so that we can proceed na, okay? But 2021, so ganun din. Okay, ayan, sige. Ayan. So again, let's view or see, okay, the words that you have inputted with the terms that we think associated to system quality assurance. Basically, all of these naman are related to system quality assurance. Siguro kaya lang malaki yung word na testing and quality control kasi yun yung pinaka main words that really associated with system quality assurance. And tulad ng sabi natin, It is not just testing or looking for bugs. It's anticipating the possible issues that we may encounter as a user end user of a system. Hindi po natin hinahanap lang yung error, okay? But we are looking for the possible cases na kung saan pwedeng mag-result siya sa issues in a system. Okay, quality control, okay, you look for the things that will be an issues towards the users. Pinaka-common dyan, let's say for example, yung UI testing nga natin, functional testing. Okay, we are testing our systems based on its performance, based on the scenarios. Paano kung halimbawa kulang yung tinype ko sa text field? Okay, saan ba dapat ako pupunta? Ano yung next na magpo-prompt? If we found errors on that, so that's the assurance of equality. Parang ganon, tinetest natin yung quality ng isang system. Sir, saan po papasok? I would like to highlight these communication skills. Okay. Why do we think needed itong communication skills in quality assurance? Why do we need communication skills in system quality? Kasi, ayan. Other than that, if you will notice, ito yung mga nabanggit, ito yung mga technical skills. Itong communication skills is a soft skills. Hindi siya yung mga hard skills that we are calling. Okay? But why do we need communication skills in quality assurance? If nahihiyang sumagot, okay, you may type your answers here in our in-call messages. Why do we need or to have communication skills in quality assurance or SQA? Anyone? Who wants to volunteer?
Pag mag-navigate sa mga file card na naba.
Meron ba? Itong sumagot? Okay, why do we need communication skills in quality assurance? Ayan.
For what is ang ating mga page
Anyone? So I won't be asking sino yung sumagot ng communication skills, but as a section, so yung section na lang yung tatanungin ko. Okay? Nakalagay dyan, communication skills related to quality assurance, SQA. So bakit kaya natin ilagay yung communication skills? Kasi tama naman that we will be removing the bugs, we will be doing validation, automation, okay, to improve our system. Kaya nga natin kinu-QA, okay, para ma-control, okay, mga possible issues. Wina-verify natin, okay, for security, okay. Pero why may nakalagay dyan na communication skills? Meron ba? Gustong sumagot? As of now, wala pa rin Yes, Eduardo?
Sir, communication skills po ay crucial since they're working as a team po, and effective communication po allows for a strong collaboration between teams po that can produce a much better software product. Quality of software product.
Okay, thank you, Eduardo. So let's highlight yung sagot niya that commonly we are working on a team. And basically, if the team do not have communication skills, probably more on chances that the project will fail. Commonly po, when you will be on the industry, mag-iba po si developer kay QA. Hindi po si developer sometimes yung naggagawa din ng testing. Kaya yung ibig sabihin natin dyan, yung possible careers po na pwede nating puntahan after graduating IT or having a degree in IT is hindi lang purely na pagiging programmer, developer. You can be a QA, wherein you will be the one who will be checking, testing all of the systems that will be done by the developers. May mga testing stage yan. Okay, before yan i-deploy. So, commonly nga yan, magkaibang tao yan. So, possible, how will you rely, the errors, the bugs, the problems on the system if you don't know how to communicate to the developers. At the same time, how will you communicate those issues to your clients if you don't know how to properly arrange sentences, even create emails, as a form of communication. So basically, kailangan po yan. And kita naman po kasi by the end of the semester, we will be having a final project presentation. So you can think of that, let's say for example, kami na prof ng SQA will be the client of your system, of your capstone, and you are informing us ano ba yung mga naging result ng test nyo. Okay? Let's say for example, with the given performance of your system, ano yung nakitang issues, problems, and how we will be able to provide solutions on that. So ibig sabihin, included and important then yung communication skills. Okay, I think so much for that. And yun na lang muna for today. And if you have free time, you may explore the topics that we will be discussing tomorrow, which is the testing fundamentals. Para at least kapag may mga questions, biglang questions that I will be asking to the section or to the class, hindi kahit pa paano may makakausap naman ako. Questions? Last call? Question? Anyone? Okay. Ayan. Sige, if wala na po questions, okay, again, i-call ko lang ulit itong mga students. Andito na ba si Vincent Apupan? Okay, wala pa. Wala. Si Joshua? Katilo, andito ka na ba? Katilo.
Yes po, sir.
Ayan, sige. Vince. Wala. Elijah? Benny? Sino yun? Okay. Chloe? Okay, wala. Godwin? Wala. Okay. Mark JV? Okay, wala. Sabina?
Present po.
Ayan. Sige, kita ko kanina. Next, Justin. Wala pa din. Sige. Analus. Ayan, wala. Jo Marie. And Kirby. Dito ba si Kirby? Ayan. Wala. Okay, so before we leave the classroom, may I request you to open your camera so that we can have photo op para naman may masanap sa group space natin. So if you can open your cam, kung nakahiga, bumahon muna. So that makapag-lunch din kayo. Mag-open ba ng camera? Anyone? Meron ba? Wala pa akong nakikita. Ayan, sige. How about the others? Yan. Wala pa. Ayan, kita ko na. Sige, iisa pa lang.
lang, uploaded sa ating
Mag-open cam na kayo.
yes, makapag-play.
Open camera na daw. Nagagalit na si si Sabina. Okay, sino pa? Asan si Cristobal? Nag-leave na yata si Cristobal.
Sir, kano sir?
Sige lang. Sige. Kaliwanag mo dyan, Joseph. Mukha ka nang kukunin.
Si Balmes.
Sino?
Si Balmes.
Kanino? May sinasabi ang Sir Glenn kay nasan daw si Balmes? Bakit? Anong meron?
Nakasabihin na sir.
Gusto niyo ka pong makita.
Nasaan daw? Hinahanap ng Sir Glenn.
Nakapagpasa naman.
Nasaan yung iba? Ba't kakunti pa? Ba't kayo lang nag-open ng cam? Meron pa bang hahabol? Ayan, si Hana. Ayan, si Ryan. Ayan. Okay, sige. Ayan. Ay, Joseph, tingin na rin ang kita namin ay bubong. Okay. Bibilang ako 1, 2, okay, 3. Okay. Wait lang, isa pa. Send ko lang sa GC. Isa pa, okay. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So, thank you for attending. And again, tomorrow po ay may klase po tayo. So, we will be having our discussion tomorrow. Then, next week, edi continuation na lang. Okay? If wala na po tayong concern, okay, questions. And again, don't forget to join our classroom, our workspace. Kakaunti pa po tayo dito. So, baka nalilimutan lang. So, for 14 pa tayo sa workspace. Ayan. Okay, if wala na pong questions, clarifications, okay, thank you po and you may now take your lunch. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.